back to the channel, everyone. Today we have some JDM parts. If you can kind of see that, it's on face focus trackus right now, so it's gonna try to focus track face track focus track on my face. So I love JDM parts. For some reason, the fitment of them is always perfect. The quality of them is always high as the sky, and I love it. I love JDM parts. I have these and I have more JDM parts in the house that I'm not installing tonight just because I don't want to be out here incredibly long. It's cold. It's cold. Wow, I can see the lens like whip, whip, whip. It's weird as it's like focusing on my face. So we're just gonna jump into this one. I also have, like I said, I have more JDM parts in the house. I've got some stuff we're doing to the front bumper this weekend. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be straight lit. So I'm gonna get this camera set up back here somewhere so we can see what we're doing with the exhaust, and we're just gonna jump right into this one. Alright, so this is what Subaru sends with these. These things are nice. They're actually stainless steel and they're not like cheap plastic or anything, so they look good. They've got some 3M backing on the both sides, and then there's 2 screws at the top of each one. They send all the hardware, which is, honestly, it's just these little screws, some washers, some 8mm nuts, and then some noodle instructions. I can't read Japanese. I can read Subaru, and I don't know. But seems simple enough, so we're just gonna figure it out. I'm gonna need a drill bit to drill some holes in these guys, and we're gonna get these guys going. It really doesn't seem too hard. I have a couple extensions, and I kind of checked down here in the bumper, and it seems relatively easy to get back behind the bumper up here where we need to screw them into. So let's start drilling some holes, some more holes in the car, because that's apparently what I really like to do. So it's pretty straightforward. They send this pack cleaner stuff, which is like a weird primer cleaning cloth, I'm guessing. Oh, that is interesting. That is very like gooey and spongy like, not, it's alcohol based, so get that guy wiped down there. That is dirty. Dirty. So, and it's like gooey. I am not a fan, so we're gonna get that guy wiped down. I'm gonna wipe down the other side too while I have this out. Just so, oh dude, that is like black filthy. That is like all exhaust soot. So, we got that guy clean. I'm gonna jump over to the other side. All right, so now that we've got the surface prepped, on the back side of here, we have these 2 different tabs for the 3M tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that back side peeled off, and surprisingly that came off like extremely simple. We got both of those guys pulled off, and then this is so simple, dude. Line it up, push it on. That was really easy. But now we gotta drill our 2 holes through here. With the drill that I didn't grab, of course. And we're just gonna drill our 2 holes straight through here. Look at that. Now the washer fitment is pretty simple. You're gonna have 1 screw with one of these clear washers. It's gonna go on the outside here and then go through the hole. And now we gotta jump under the car, put these guys on. The 2 8mm bolts, incredibly easy. So black washer goes on, then the bolt goes on. So washer, then bolt. And now slide on. Oh, dead spider, not okay. Look at that. I like it. I think that looks pretty good right there. Pretty good. I still have one more side to do, but I'm gonna pull the camera back and I'll show you the difference between both sides and you can make up your mind. Do you like these? OEM S4 exhaust guards, heat shields. I actually like that a lot now that I step back. So this is what it looks like with the heat shield and without. Personally, I like it better with the heat shield. Here's like a full view of the rear of the car. I like it better with these heat shields. I think they look pretty snazzy, if you ask me. Pretty snazzy compared to just like blank over here. Like it doesn't really stand out. This does. It's about the little details. I love the little details of a car. Anyone can throw on a big wing on their car, but no one goes to the extremes anymore of doing like the little details. The little details are what set you apart. By the way, rear diffuser is coming. Also, the other JDM parts I have are for the rear of the car. If you know what they are, drop it below. I'm gonna do it in next week's install, I think, but I like the look of this. So I'm gonna knock out this side. I'm just gonna speed through it, because I just walked through this side, and then we'll recap and do like a whole view of the rear. I think it'll look solid. There we have it, dude. I love these. I actually love them. They're different. I don't see a lot of V8 chassis Subarus with the JDM exhaust guards. Like I was saying, dude, I love OEM JDM parts. The fitment is perfect. The quality is so high. Like, look at this. Look at that goodness of just real steel. I also like that term, real steel, but also don't mind up here. I got hit by a car and did drive through the coffee stand a while ago, but aside from that, I like them. I really like them, and there's some more JDM goodness going to be happening back here tomorrow. But I'm also doing some other stuff up to the front of the car too, but 10 out of 10 would recommend OEM. It's a little difficult for the price. I picked these up from Brian at the Mod Garage. Shout out to him for, I think, right around $300. There are cheaper options out there, like OLM makes a carbon fiber one, and a couple other companies make some that are similar, but OEM all the way. Dude, Canon cameras kill it for face tracking. Like, this thing is so much better than what I'm normally used to. So, oh, spiders everywhere. Killed them all, not a fan. Not a fan of the spiders, dude. This camera's getting heavy again. So, there we have it. JDM more goodness parts are now on the car, with more on the way soon. I'm excited. I love JDM parts so much. And if this swayed you to pick up some of these beautiful JDM S4 bezels for your exhaust finisher down here, do it. Smash that like button. If you were just scrolling and you wanted to see what they're all about, smash it also. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. 2 videos a week right now until I'm out of school, then it'll be 3 again. That's 4, I meant 3. 3, so I'm gonna keep it coming for you guys, because I genuinely enjoy doing this, or else I wouldn't have bought like this USR battery grip, really nice microphone, and all this other stuff. The drone, like you saw at the beginning of this video, because I love drones. I love them. So, as always, I appreciate you guys spending time here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo!